Hello everyone, it's Alison here from learn2tradecrypto.net. Now during this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I use Elliott waves to trade cryptocurrencies. Now, this is just a practical demonstration of how I do it and why it's so important that for you to understand that the market has a structure. My trading methods are very, very simple. You're going to find pretty much the same thing on this channel. Talking about the channel, if you are new on this channel, I would like you to like this video if you like it. You leave me a comment and you subscribe, because when I get to 5K subscribers, I'm going to be giving out $100. Today, I'm talking about Avalanche. If you want an Avalanche, no problem. If you wanted the $100 in Ethereum, no problem. I'll be happy to send that to you because right in my Telegram channel, we are not doing too badly. I keep saying we're making, smashing crypto and making life-changing money. And this is exactly how I'm doing it. It's really not very difficult. If you understand what I said before, that the market has got a memory, the market has got a structure that repeats itself over and over again. So this is the chart of Avalanche against Ethereum, which we've seen a huge explosion over the last couple of weeks. To be honest, since August, when we had that dip, it's been rising against Ethereum. As you can see here, this is the daily chart, and there are 5 distinct waves you can see here, okay? So first you have the 3 impulse wave, which is from 0 to 1, and then you have from 2 to 3, and then from 4 to 5. You also have the 2 pullback or the retracement wave, which is 1 to 2, and then 3 to 4. Okay, so you're going to see this on a lot of charts. So even if you have missed out on Avalanche, you can equally identify this pattern on any other pairs that you are looking at to see if you are at some form of structural support. Okay, so assuming you missed this first wave, this first 2 impulse waves, then you begin to time this retracement, because what I teach, what I believe in, my trading philosophy, is to always try and buy at some form of structural support. What do I mean by that? If you come on here, you're going to see that we had a resistance level around here from which price went down, price broke above it, and then came to retest it around here. Okay, so this area of previous resistance has now become support from where the price now took off from. Now, this support also coincided with the end of retracement wave 4. Now we had wave 5, okay? And now I'm expecting a pullback into any of these zones here, okay? So how do you know that the pullback is complete? We can then begin to use Fibonacci retracement tool to be able to see where the retracement is likely to stop. Okay, so with the Fibonacci tool, you can see this first wave from here, from the bottom to the top, it stopped around this level here, which is the 61.8. Let me make that slightly bigger so you can see what I mean. So you can see where it stopped here, around 61.8. And there are 2 levels I talk about in Fibonacci all the time. There's a 61.8 and the 78.6 levels. Those are the 2 levels I watch for retracement, okay? It's not rocket science, but you find that more often than not, you're going to find prices finding support at either 61.8 or 78.6. So in this case, from when we had impulse wave 1, in wave 2, which was a retracement of the pullback, terminated at 61.8. At that point, we found buyers who came in and then supported this asset, and then it pushed all the way up. If I remove that, and so we'll see the impulse wave 3, which is from 2 to 3 here, and then it goes all the way up from top to bottom. Where did it find support? It's the 78.6 retracement zone, okay? And from there, we took off, and then we went all the way up, okay, to wave 5. So if you were anticipating this move, and you already had this point in mind, to begin to anticipate that the price was going to come to this zone, you already saw this area that was resistance, price broke out of it, they almost always come to retest it. And this is what exactly happened here, okay? So we had the retest, we had some consolidation, which actually was also the point of control. You can see a lot happened here, okay? You had more transactions, more trading coming in here that because a lot of people were expecting this to bounce here, and it found support here, it bounced up, retested, and boom, off it went. Okay, and then we had wave 5. Now I'm expecting a pullback. This is not the time to buy Avalanche, right? So if you have missed Avalanche and you're wondering what else to do, I have a coin here, which is UBIX. Okay, UBIX is exactly doing what Avalanche has done against Ethereum. Okay, so I already posted this idea in my Telegram chat, and it is something that you need to look at. Okay, because we've had so because this went below this support, I would say this is the first wave that we're talking about now, okay, for UBIX. So we already have the 0 here, okay, and now we are having, this is wave 1, okay, and now we're having a pullback to 2. Now, if you see, this is the point of control where most of the trading has taken place. So prices come back in. If you do the Elliott way, the Fibonacci pullback, you're going to see that we are just around the 78.6 zone. Okay, the price has fallen below 8, but don't forget it's a zone, it's not exact science. So this now tells me that we are they're going to have a very, very high probability after a while that this price is going to bounce up against Ethereum and UBIX is going to fly, okay, towards this top here as we move back up towards all-time highs, okay? So it's Allison here. That is how you use Elliott waves to gain, to gain an idea of where you are, to have an idea of maybe market context, and also how you use Fibonacci retracement tool to find out where a coin is likely to find support. So if you missed out on AVAX, why don't you look at some other coin like UBIX that is following exactly the same pattern that AVAX followed against Ethereum. Okay, at some point, Ethereum is going to begin to go sideways, and then you're going to have an explosion in these other coins. Okay, so these are the kind of ideas I post on my Telegram channel. If you want to join us, I'm going to be leaving links below. And don't forget that what I said, when I get to 5K subscribers, I'm going to be giving out $100 in either AVAX, UBIX, or Ethereum. If you're the lucky winner, just tell me what currency you want it in, and I'm going to send it to you. Also, when I get to 10K subscribers, I'm going to be giving out a Ledger Nano S for you to store that cryptocurrency. So listen, thank you for watching, and I hope you learned something new today. If you have, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe, and I will hopefully see you in my next video. Take care and have a good day.